Welcome, Messenger users. Have you blocked someone on Messenger and now want to unblock them? In this full guide, we'll show you how to unblock someone on Messenger. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. Step 2. Locate the chat conversation with the person you want to unblock. It could be an individual or a group chat. Tap on the chat's title to access the chat settings. Step 3. Within the chat settings, look for the option labeled Unblock and tap on it. By doing this, you will remove the block and allow the person to contact you again. Congratulations, you have successfully unblocked the person on Messenger. They will now be able to send you messages and interact with you as before. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and Messenger tips. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you unblock someone on Messenger effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.